Hi guys, I decided to record this week's video outside, so I'm standing on my balcony. You might hear a little bit of traffic noise, but I thought you might like to see a little bit of what Pima County looks like. So you can see some mountains back there. If you look real close, you might see some saguaro cacti, but I live a little bit south of Tucson, but still in the county in the Sonoran Desert, so this is kind of what it looks like in the spring. I know that people in other places are having all kinds of weather, so I just wanted you to see it's like 75 and breezy and nice right now. Alright, so enough about the weather. Let's talk about what's coming up this week. So as you know, your essay is due today, and hopefully you guys are getting that turned in, and if anyone has any last minute questions, go ahead and email me. That is the end of Unit 1. All right, so that's where we are right now. April 15th, tax day and essay due day. So then we move into Module 4 and Unit 2. So read the Unit 2 overview, that's tomorrow. Again, read over the Module 4 activities, that's what's coming up. Read the Essay 2 requirements. So this is an essay about a definition. You'll see, but you're going to look at how each of the texts deals with one kind of definition or another. So you're going to talk about how the text addresses, what it means to be, for instance, ethical, or a citizen, or a person, or whatever. You'll see. All right, so coming up pretty quickly, your Wednesday, you've got a discussion post, and then Thursday, an outline. So hopefully you're getting some ideas really, really quickly. And then you've got a rough draft due on Friday. I realize this is really fast. This is kind of how our class has to move. And as ever, when you have challenges to getting things done on time, you can let me know. But that's the pace that we have to move at. So hopefully everything's going great, and you guys are doing great so far. Let me know if you have questions. Have a good day.